Let me show you how I start my morning with Bullmaster. Half a tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. This Bullmaster exclusive drink is a brown sugar coconut latte. Now you have the option to use hot water or steamed milk or even almond milk. It's all amazing, but the almond and regular milk will make it more decadent. These Bullmaster ingredients are known to help your libido, energy, stamina, balance your hormones. This is a drink that you need to put in your rotation at least 3 times a week. Grab your life by the horns. You are the Bullmaster.